Can you able to hear me now?
Hello.
Sir?
Can you able to hear me now?
Hello? Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, of
sir,
course,
yes.
sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
I'm sharing the screen.
Okay,
Just
sir.
we'll go to SAP screen now. Okay. Just 15 minutes only class. Basic. Okay. So tomorrow morning actually I will do the configuration.
Okay, sir.
Because night time, no, I have a lot of meetings are there in my office. That's why. So why I'm taking class like that, you understand the concept, right? So if I'm taking one shot, no, you can't understand SAP. That's why I'm dividing like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So so now you can able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes,
The,
it's visible.
the call is recording now.
It's recording.
Yeah, it's recording, sir.
Yes, it's recording.
So there are two types of screens in SAP. One is like easy access and one more is like IMG. Easy access means this is used for end user. End user means morning only I told you that is coming under non-IT. So this is the
Non-IT.
yeah non-IT. So this is the area they are doing the posting, payment, GL creation, vendor creation like that. So easy access for end user. For IT, we are using the T code SPRO. SPRO is the T code for IT. If you want to do the configuration, no, this is the T code. SPRO means SAP Project Reference Object. This is the meaning for SPRO. And if I enter now, you can see here IMG. IMG means Implementation Guide. Implementation already I told.
Okay. Sir,
Yeah,
First
excuse me, sir. Sorry for the
it-
disturbance. Sir,
uh,
the words are not visible, sir. Can you widen the screen?
already I open full screen only.
Okay.
From your end, you are facing problem, or everyone they are facing the problem?
Can you check other, sir? The words are not visible clearly.
No, what I'm asking, understand the concept. From your end, you are facing the problem, or everyone they are facing the same problem?
I don't know, sir. Ask.
Sir, we can
No
sir,
problem,
we
sir.
can zoom our screens.
You have to zoom your screen, then you will come to know.
Yeah.
Oh,
See
okay,
here,
fine, sir. Fine, fine, fine. I got it.
you got here maximum screen, right? You have to click this button.
Okay, okay, I got it.
So now IMG. So here only I'm doing the implementation. IMG means implementation guide. If I click this option, I told you yesterday, like SAP means is the centralized software. So why I'm calling here centralized software means here you can see a lot of business, financial accounting, controlling, real estate, logistics, sales and distribution, material like this. 118 models are there. In the 118 models, now you are learning financial accounting and control. So this is the area we are doing the configuration. So for example, if I go step by step like this, no, you can see here creation of company, company code, business area. This is not coming under configuration. So this part coming under IT. If I go back, this part coming under non-IT. So you have to understand these two. Now, how many ways we can reach the screen in SAP? There are three ways we can reach the screen. I can go by path like this, one by one. This is path. Otherwise, I can use the T code also. You can see the T code here, FB50. If I open one more screen now, I can use the T code also, FB50. Okay, so I can go by path, otherwise I can use the transaction code. Otherwise, every day actually if you are using the same T code, FB50, you can add it in favorite also. You can see here, add to favorite, you can add it here, FB50. If I double click here, it will open like this also. So through path also I can go, through T code also I can go, through favorite also I can go. And in case if you want to delete this, you can delete also. You can see here delete button, select here delete. It's showing here now deleted from the favorites. You understand what I'm telling here, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many screen I can
Sir,
open in?
your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. For everyone you are facing the same problem, or you are the only one person you are facing the same problem?
No, sir, your voice is not breaking. Absolutely fine for me.
Yeah, for
See,
me it's fine, sir.
See, I'm in my personal office in Koramangala. So here there is no disturbance, nothing, because this Wi-Fi I'm only using. Okay. Please check your internet. Okay. See now how many screen I can open in SAP at a time. So you can see here new window. At a time I can open 6 sessions in SAP. If I select this option now, you can see here maximum number of sessions is reached. So if you want to see that, I will enter here one more T code is there /o. If I enter here /o, you can see right now I opened 6 sessions in SAP. Okay, including the timing also you can see here what time I opened the screen. Okay, but as per the interview point of view, they will ask, it is possible to open more than 6 screen in SAP? Yeah, it is possible. One more T code is there. If you want to increase the session, the T code I'm using here /n RZ11 is the T code. Enter now RZ11. Here actually I have to update the program name. My program name is RDASP underscore mass underscore alt underscore mo. This is my program name. If I select here display button, and here you can see I configured 6 screen now. That's why I can able to open only 6. So if you want to increase the session, here you can see change value, and here if I update here 10, after that if I click on save button now, you have to log off and log in, then I can open 10 session in SAP at a time. This is the T code RZ11. Okay. So what under I am telling now, all are important T codes RZ11. And how to cancel the screen. So for example, I want to cancel the screen means I'm using here /n is the T code to cancel the screen. See the screen got cancelled. Again, I will tell you one more example. If I go to this T code F-02, so if you want to cancel the screen, /n, okay, to cancel the screen. And how to check the version? I'll go to system, status, and here I can see product version. Click on details, and here you can see install product version. And if I come down here, you can see currently I'm using this one 6.0. Like that actually you can check the version in SAP. And one more important point here, how to check the client. Today morning I told you client 0002 currently I'm using 800. Okay, I can see here. Otherwise one more T code also is there. The T code is /n/SCC4 is the T code to see the client details. Enter now. You can see there are a lot of client is there. Currently I'm using this client. Okay, the T code is SCC4. And how to log off the system. System log off. I can log off like this. Otherwise I can use the T code /n is the T code to log off the system. Enter now, and you can see here system will tell us do you want to log off or not. And one more T code. If you want to log off the entire system, I am using here /n-ex. Enter, and you can see I log off the entire system. Again I have to log in one more time. Now update your user ID and password, and again I have to log in one more time. So up to this you understand what I'm telling here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then how to learn more transaction code in SAP. So for example, transaction code means I already showed here, right? You can see there are a lot of transaction code is there, right? So if you want to learn still more transaction code, the T code I'm using here is C16, and one table name is the table under created by SAP above team. The table name is TSTC. If you want to learn more transaction code in SAP, if I click on enter now, so you can see transaction code. I want to learn, for example, a finance transaction code. I'm using here F-star. If I enter here F-star, if I click on execute, in the left hand side you can see all the transaction code, and the right hand side you can see all the definition. Like this 30,000, 40,000 transaction code is there in SAP. Okay, without Google, you can learn like this also. All the transaction code. This is also very important table in live TSTC. And how to create the folder. See, folder means I already see someone is created a folder, right? Your folder is there. From your end, if you want to create the folder like this, go to favorite. Here you can see insert folder. Select your insert folder, and I am giving here the folder name. My folder name I am giving here SAP FICO T codes. Enter. You can see the folder is ready. Under folder, if you want to add any T codes or something, again I'll go to favorite, insert transaction. I'll update the transaction code here, for example F-02, and here I'll update one more transaction code, for example F-22, and here I'll add one more transaction code F-43 something. Okay, so like this I can add more transaction code. Now this F-43 in the third position. Third position means like 1, 2 and 3. So if you want to bring into first position, here you can see one button is there. Up you can see F-43 coming under top. Again if you want to bring down, you can bring down also like this. Okay. And if you want to delete anything, you can see here delete button, you can delete everything. And if you want to delete the folder also, it is possible. Simple. And how to change the color or something. You can see here option customizing layout, and here you can see visual design. You can see here color in the system. So right now I'm using this color. If you want to change the color, you can see here gold, green, purple, so many colors are there. After that you have to click on apply and you have to select your OK button. Then if you log off and log in, the color also will be changed. Then how to change the font size. If you double click here, right now I'm using here Korean font size. If I select here, you can see you can change the font size also as per your convenient. After that you have to click on apply and OK, and if you log off and log in, the font size also change in the backend. And the theme setting in the mobile, actually we have the theme, right? Background color. Right now I'm using signature theme. So if you want to change the color in the background, you can see here, you can select one theme here. Then again here also you have to select your apply and OK. Then after that again you have to log off and log in. Then theme also change in the backend. And one more important point, for example, every day actually you are watching some videos in the YouTube. Okay, what you have to do usually, you have to go to YouTube, you have to type video something, right? Instead of that, we have the shortcut. Here you can see add other objects, and here you can see web address. If I double click here web address, see for example here I have to type like SAP videos, and here I have to copy the URL link, that YouTube link I have to copy here, and after that you have to click on enter. If I click on enter here, then it will display here. Then if I double click here, the YouTube is open from here directly, so no need to go to Google. And how to open the mail from SAP only, same thing, go to other objects, and here you can see external mail system, right? If I select this, if I update here some, for example Gmail or something, here also you have to copy the URL link, here also you have to copy the URL link, and if you click enter now, then Gmail is ready. Then if you double click here, then Gmail also I can open directly from here. Okay, this and all, so many shortcuts in SAP. And one more important point, say for example I'll go to one T code OX02. This is company code T code. If I go to new entries, what and all I can create a company, I can see here. This is one list history. How I have to do the configuration for this, here you can see option. Here you can see now history status is on. That's why I can see the history. If I make it as a off, and if I make it as a apply and on, now you can see the history is not visible here. Again, if you want to see the history immediately, again option. If you select here immediately, click on apply and OK. Now you can see the history immediately. Always in live, what I have to do, I have to go to option, select on and apply and OK. And if I give backspace, you can see the history. Okay, simple. You understand what I'm telling up to this, right?
Yes, sir.
So now I'll give one more example. I will go to one T code, for example, FBL3M. See, now you can see the date here. So I want to copy the data from here to here. So usually what you'll do, if you want to copy the date from here to here, any idea?
Uh, we'll copy paste. We'll
Control
copy
C,
paste.
Control C and Control V, correct?
Yes, sir.
So instead of Control C and Control V, here actually we have one shortcut is there, like quick cut and paste. We have to activate this quick cut and paste. Now what I have to do, just you have to select the date. Okay, select the date and keep the cursor here and do right click in the laptop. So no need to use Control C and Control V. So without using Control C and Control V, I can use like this. This is one more shortcut. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And how to check your login time and currently how many users they are working here, something. The T code I'm using here /n EAL08 is the T code. Enter now. You can see currently 11 users are logging right now. So this is my user, first one. Currently I'm using this T code. You can see today's date, you can see the system timing. So this and all you can see within fraction of second. Okay. And how to block the user means end user. SU01 is the T code if you want to block the user. If I update the name, for example, if I update my name, if I block here, then I can't able to log in. This is for single user if you want to block. Multiple user if you want to block, I'm using the T code here. SU10 is the T code. Multiple user. If I enter now, I have to update all the users here one by one. Then after that I have to click on block. Then it will lock. Then the particular user they can't able to log in. That is the meaning here. You got my point up to this, right?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, we have to remember T codes for everything.
100% actually.
Okay.
In the business,
So we
actually,
need to mug up them.
they will give the blueprint in the business. But for the
Okay.
entry point of view, you have to mug up all the T codes.
Okay.
There is no other option. Okay?
So for everything, /n is common, right?
/n is common. Okay, /n always mandatory. If I enter, for example, direct one T code, for example, OX15, it will not come.
Okay.
Instead of that only, I'm using here /n OX15, then it will come directly. Simple. You got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm telling, all are basic. So that's why I told you this is only 15 minutes class. It's not too
Okay,
lengthy.
sir.
If you see this video, no, then you are comfortable in SAP. Okay.
Okay.
Then tomorrow morning I have to start a configuration.
7 o'clock, right, sir?
Correct, 7 o'clock, 7 to 7:30 something.
Sir, when the server is giving, sir, I mean, online server.
That and all you have to talk to Praveen actually. This part I'm not involved.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You talk to Praveen, he'll provide the server for you.
Yeah, sure, sir.
So tomorrow, like 6:45 only, I'll send the message. Okay, 6:50 or 6:50 we will start the session. Then I can complete the class because actually after that one more batch is there. Then after that I have to come to institute also. For only one person tomorrow, I think offline. I think so. After that the rest of the people are all online only. Okay. So we have to log in early tomorrow. 6:45 or 6:50 will connect the call. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then I can explain more. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So today, tomorrow only like this. Then after that, from day after tomorrow onwards, all are like 9 o'clock only batch. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So thanks to everyone. So tomorrow morning actually we'll see you again at 6:45 or 6:50. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.
Bye.